automatic washing machines to air purifiers, nearly everything around us can be classified as robotics. This new and emerging technology is definitely going to impact our lives in the future. To encourage more people to take up robotics, a number of competitions are hosted by schools and colleges every year. Sadly, most people still do not know how to make their own robots and hence cannot participate in such challenges. There isn't even a lot of stuff on the internet about building robots and the strategies involved in participating in robotic competitions. I have seen people going for sumo competitions with robots that would have been much more appropriate for soccer matches. A friend of mine even tried to win a racing competition with a line follower. In January 2018, I participated in the Spark Robotic Fest held in Chennai by SP Robotics each year. I participated in all the categories and won the first position in the line follower category and second position in the quadruped race. Other categories included the Robo Soccer, Robo Sumo, and the robotic race Speed It Up. So in this new series of videos, I'm going to teach you guys how you can build your own robots and participate in such competitions. We'll have a video about each one where I talk about strategies, the specifications, and why I won certain rounds and lost others. I'll be posting these videos shortly, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.